Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to change age in Oculus app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to change your age in Oculus app, all you need to do is simply tap open your Oculus app itself. So once you open the app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the menu option. Once you do so, you will be redirected to this page where you need to tap on settings. So after you tap on settings, you need to now tap on account settings, and after you do so, you will be redirected to this page where you need to tap on personal details. After doing this, you need to select the personal details once again and tap on it. So after you do this as well, you will find the birthday option. So once you are in the birthday section, you need to hit the edit button, and once you edit your birthday, your age in your Oculus app will be automatically changed according to the birthday you have selected. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.